Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Milky Mickey's Corner. Unbox my 18 over 10 Germany Uakeen stainless steel cookware with me while I give you a gist about how this very silly, is it the vendor that is silly now or the handler? They shall be alright. I shall not tagging them to this video. They did a good job, Sha. Just let me know if you think I should forgive them and tell you where I bought it, or if I should just let them go. That will be after listening to my story, Sha. So let's dive right into it. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and share your thoughts in the comment section. Like this video as well. Okay, so on that very faithful day, I've been thinking of getting a stainless steel cookware. I hear it's really healthy, and if you get a good one, doesn't stick your food, doesn't get your food unnecessarily burnt, especially if you can use a low heat. So I decided to get a stainless steel cookware, and I was browsing, searching, checking until I finally got this 9-piece cookware set product by Uakeen, a Germany product, by the way, and my eyes fell in love with it from the very first moment I set my eyes on it. So the very first page where I saw it, it was already sold out, and every other place where I tried to look for it, it was more expensive, maybe 10 or 15,000 more expensive, and I did not know what to do. So I kept checking, Sha. I finally got somewhere that was 10,000 naira more expensive than the original place where I found that particular set. And I decided, okay, let me pay for this one. While I was about to ask for account details, boom, another advert showed up. And guys, I saw this cookware set with a 5,000 naira, or it was it 5,000, 2,500 naira difference from the very first place where I found it. And I'm like, you know what? This is the place. But something happened that I don't know. You know, when they say she party the run belle, it's not like the quality is now not top notch. The quality, you will see it as you watch the video. So it's not really about the quality, it's about the service I got and how I was even scared while waiting for the product. Just don't mind that my small madam there. And the quality was really, really top notch, and it got me smiling because I've been really angry with them. So after clicking on the website, I sent a message. Can I order on this? Is the cookware available? I decided to go to the website and I saw it there. But while trying to proceed to payment, the person in at the handler for their Instagram said, "Oh, it's sold out." And I wrote to the person like, "What do you mean sold out? I am seeing it in your website and you're telling me it's sold out." She said, if I see it in the website, then it's still available. That thing made me take two steps back, and I'm like, what do you mean by it's sold out and if it's in the website, it's still available? Am I safe? I got thinking, but now where I found it, I saw it like 15,000 naira more. And I was just wondering, I'm like, you know what? Let me just go ahead and just order. What was the worst that will happen? They won't deliver it. It's going to pay me. Oh, I will come back and cry. And at the end of the day, I made payment and I asked the person, when will I be receiving my product? She said, go and check the website. That was the first thing that got to me. And like, why are these people just misbehaving? And I checked the website. The website said 1 to 3 working days. And I'm like, okay, you know what? No wahala. Maybe the person just wants me to really maximize the website. That was where the whole issue started. Though. I made payment like on a Friday. After making payment, I waited for a while. And after making payment, I waited for a while. Then they didn't say anything again. I was waiting for my order to come. And 3 days later, they sent me a message. Your way bill is not complete. You need to add 5,000 something something to the way bill. And in my head, I'm like, what is wrong with these people? Why you don't communicate that through the website? Since I have to be doing everything through the website, you want to form professional for me. I got angry and I went to the handler and I'm like, what's the meaning of this? This cookware set. I said I was going to pay so amount. You said I came here to ask all my questions. You said I should go to website. Now I'm seeing another extra charge that's even more than what I paid at first for the delivery fee. And she was like, go and is it that you make the payment or send somebody to come and pick it up? And the person was just really, really rude and nasty to me. I'm sure going to put all the conversations that we had, and that was where I made up my mind that, you know what, if they finally even send the product, I'm just going to block them, even if it's cheaper than whatever. I'm not going to buy anything from them again. Like, their customer care is 0/100. That was everything about the conversation was not okay. But was the cookware okay? Yes, it was very, very okay, and I loved it. When I saw my cookware, I'm like, okay, 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 okay. These people really, really delivered on their promise. So let me just leave them. I wanted to go back and send them a message and scream at the handler, but I said blocking them will be better. I'm not getting anything from them again. But the quality is 100%. But they should work on um their customer care, their customer service. Yes, they should work on their customer service. What do you think? Bye.